Hello guys, this is Heimer here. I want to show you how I fly ka-52 gunship helicopter as solo player. So I put on the other side of this airfield some units and I will show you how to snipe them. First of all, get in to gunner seat, switch to first person camera and aim down a little bit your cannon. I think the best place is here. Take controls, switch to high explosive ammunition and hit 2 times Alt for enabling freeview camera. So now turn on engines and fly to our position. Best efficient way to snipe missions in this helicopter is between 800 and 1000 meters, sorry. 800 and 1000 meters. So slow down a little bit and auto hover on. Auto hover is important for steady aim our helicopter. Now take a bit altitude and switch to gunner optics using right mouse button click. Again 2 times hit Alt for disabling freeview camera and enabling helicopter control with mouse. Zoom in. When we are on our position, turn off auto hover so we can aim like this and start shooting. And we are done. That's it, we are okay, everything is dead, and now we can fly and collect our loot. I hope you enjoyed my guide and see you on server. Bye.